friends, welcome to Math Magnet. Math made easy. This is for all you little geniuses who need a little help with math. Remember to use this video only as a guide to help you solve your math problems after you have attempted to solve them yourselves. Let's get into today's video. Today we are going to solve chapter 1 Algebra from Pupil Book for grade 6. We shall see questions under review and thinking cap. Question 1. Give an algebraic expression for the following. A strawberry cake recipe needs 12 eggs for every 200 grams of flour. How many eggs are needed for 1000 grams of flour? So we know for 200 grams of flour we need W eggs. So for 1000 grams how many eggs is needed is the question. So to find for 1000 grams how many eggs, we will have to multiply 1000 into W divided by 200, which will be equal to 5W. That is the number of eggs that will be needed for 1000 grams of flour. Let's look at the next question. Question number 2. Find the value of each expression when n equal to 8. A. 3n minus 9. So now we will replace n with value 8. So it becomes 3 into 8 minus 9, which is equal to 24 minus 9, which is equal to 15. Now question B. 5 plus n by 2. Now we will replace n by 8. So it will be 5 plus 8 by 2, which is equal to 5 plus 4, which is equal to 9. C. N plus 7 by 3. Now we will replace n with value 8. So it becomes 8 plus 7 by 3, which is equal to 15 by 3, which is equal to 5. Question number 3. Simplify. A. 7y plus 3y, which is equal to 10y. We will add the variable term 7y plus 3y, that's equal to 10y. Question B. 9x plus 6 minus 8x minus 1. We will club the variables and the constants together. So that will become 9x minus 8x plus 6 minus 1. So 9x minus 8x becomes 1x or x, and plus 6 minus 1 will become plus 5. So that's equal to x plus 5. Question number 4. Find the missing numbers. A. Blank plus 12 equal to 18. So in algebra we will represent this unknown variable as x. So x plus 12 equal to 18. That's equal to 18 minus 12. Plus 12, when it moves to the other side of the equation, it becomes minus 12. That's how it is 18 minus 12. So x is equal to 6. Now question B. 5 into blank equal to 40. 5 into x equal to 40, and same way the multiplication when it goes to the other side of the equation becomes division. So it is 40 divided by 5 equal to 8. So the unknown value is 8. Question C. Blank divided by 8 equal to 7, which can be written as x divided by 8 equal to 7. Again division when it goes to the other side of the equation becomes multiplication. So x is equal to 7 into 8, which is equal to 56. So the unknown number is 56. Question number 5. Pam and 3 friends shared $x equally. Now the first question is, how much will each person get? Express your answer in terms of x. And question B is, if x is equal to 28, how much will each of them receive? So let's solve question A first. Question A. $x was divided equally among 4 people. How is it 4 people? It is Pam and her 3 friends. So it becomes totally 4 people. So $x is divided equally by 4 people. So each person will get $x divided by 4. So if x is equal to 28, that is a B question. If x is equal to 28, how much will each of them receive? So we will have to replace x as 28 in the above equation. So it becomes 28 divided by 4, which is equal to 7. So each person will get $7. The next question 6. The length of a square is W centimeters. A. Find the perimeter of the square in terms of W. B. Find the length of the square when its perimeter is 36 centimeters. So let's solve one by one. Question A. Given the perimeter of a square is W, in terms of W they've asked, and they've given the length as W centimeters. Now to find the perimeter of a square, we know it is equal to 4 times its length. So that is 4W. So that is your answer. Perimeter of the square in terms of W becomes 4W centimeters. Now if perimeter is given as 36 centimeters, what is the length? So if 4W equal to 36 centimeter, W is equal to 36 divided by 4, which is equal to 9 centimeters. So the length of the square is equal to 9 centimeters. Question 7. Sam's father is 3 times as old as Sam. Sam's mother is 5 years younger than Sam's father. Sam's mother is 31 years old. How old is Sam? So let us assume Sam's age is equal to X because that is the unknown factor. So we know Sam's mother's age is 31 years and we know Sam's father's age is 3 times as old as Sam. So it becomes 3 times X, which is 3X. Now Sam's mother is 5 years younger than Sam's father. So which means Sam's father's age will be 5 years more than the mother's age, which is 31 plus 5 equal to 36 years. Now we also know Sam's father's age is 3x. So 3x equal to 36. So x is equal to 36 divided by 3, which is equal to 12 years. So Sam's age will be 12 years old. Question 8. All the chairs in the school hall can be arranged in stacks of 7 or stacks of 9. There are fewer than 100 chairs in the hall. How many chairs are there? Now, since the chairs can be arranged in stacks of 7 or 9, it means that the number of chairs is a multiple of both 7 and 9. But they are saying the number of chairs is less than 100. So, which means this multiple is a common multiple of 7 and 9, but the value will be less than 100. So if we see the multiplication table of 7 and 9, the common multiple will be 63, and this also meets the condition that it is less than 100. So the number of chairs in the hall will be equal to 63 chairs. Question 9. Simplify 9 plus 12 divided by 2 into 15 minus 10. So we'll apply the BODMAS rule. We'll subtract 15 minus 10 as 5. The next operation will be division. First we did the bracket operation, then we'll go to the division operation, which is 12 divided by 2, which is 6, and then we will go to the multiplication, which is 6 into 5, which is 30. Then we'll come to the addition, 9 plus 30, which is equal to 39. So the final answer will be equal to 39. Now let's solve some put on your thinking cap questions. Question number 1. Grace thinks of a number. First she multiplies it by 2. She then adds 12 to the result. Finally she takes the result and subtracts twice the number that she first thought of. What is the answer that she will always obtain? So here we will have to form an algebraic expression to find the answer. So the first one is the number Grace thought, we will consider it as x. Then she does the multiplication operation, which is multiplying by 2. So it becomes x into 2. Then she is adding 12 to this result. So it becomes x into 2 plus 12. Then she takes the finally she takes the result and subtract twice the number that she first thought of. So finally she is subtracting it with minus 2x when she subtracts twice the number she thought of. So let us simplify this equation. It becomes 2x plus 12 minus 2x. Now we already know how to solve an algebraic expression when we'll combine the two variable terms first. So it is 2 plus 2x minus 2x becomes 0. It cancels out each other. So the final answer will be 12. So no matter what number she thought of, the final answer that she will get is always 12. So the answer she will always obtain is 12. Question number 2. The sum of ages of Kevin and his sister is now 18 years. 3 years from now, Kevin will be half as old as his sister. What are their ages now? So from the statement, Kevin will be half as old as his sister, it's evident that his sister is an elder sister. Now let's assume Kevin's age now is x because it's an unknown variable. So sister's age will be 18 minus x. So after 3 years it becomes x plus 3, which will be equal to 18 minus x plus 3 divided by 2. They've told after 3 years, Kevin will be half as old as his sister. So it becomes 3 years. After 3 years, it will become x plus 3 for Kevin and 18 minus x plus 3 for his sister. And half of it will become divided by 2. So it will become division operation. Let's take division divided by 2. We'll move it to the other side of the equation. It becomes multiplication. It becomes 2 into x plus 3, which is equal to 21 minus x, which is equal to 2x plus 6 equal to 21 minus x. Let's bring the variable terms together to one side. So minus 6, when you bring it to this side of the equation, becomes plus x. So 2x plus x equal to 21 minus 6. We will bring plus 6 from this side of the equation to the other. So it becomes 21 minus 6. So 3x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 by 3, which is equal to 5. So Kevin's age now is 5 and sister's age will be 18 minus x, which is 18 minus 5, which is equal to 13. So Kevin's age is 5 years and sister's age will be 13 years. Question 3. A rectangular garden ABCD has a path of width y meters all around it. The perimeter of the path EFGH is 12 meters more than the perimeter of the garden ABCD. Find the width of the path in meters. So this is the garden picture they have given, the green area, and the yellow is the path outside the garden. And they have given the width of the path as y meters. Now they have asked us to find the width of this path. The other condition they are given is the perimeter of the path, that is EFGH, and the difference between that and the garden ABCD is equal to 12 meters. Now we are asked us to find y. Let's see how to go about it. Now we know the perimeter is 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. Given the question, they given that the difference between the outer perimeter and the inner perimeter is 12. So we will write that in equation form. So the outer perimeter is 2 times EF plus 2 times EH minus the inner perimeter, which is 2 times AB plus 2 times AD, is equal to 12. Okay. Now we also know EF is equal to AB plus 2y, which is y on either side. There is a difference. The width is same throughout the field. So EF will be equal to AB plus y plus y. So that will be equal to AB plus 2y. So 2 times EF will be equal to 2 times AB plus 4y. Replacing the and same way 2EH will be equal to 2 times AD plus 4y. Same logic. 4y, y on either side, and we're doing it 2 times, so it becomes 4y. So we'll replace this value in the above equation. So 2EF plus 2EH minus 2AB plus 2AD equal to 12. We'll replace EF and EH and becomes 2AB plus 4y plus 2AD plus 4y minus 2AB plus 2AD is equal to 12. So it becomes, let's open up the brackets, and then it becomes 2AB plus 2AD plus 8y minus 2AB plus 2AD. After opening brackets, it becomes 2AB plus 2AD plus 8y. When you open the bracket, this operation before is minus, so the operation inside will become, there will be a change. So plus will become minus. So minus 2AB minus 2AD. So plus 2AB and minus 2AB cancels out. 2AD plus 2AD and minus 2AD cancels out. So you will have 8y equal to 12. So y equal to 12 by 8, which is equal to 3 by 2, which is equal to 1.5 meters. So the width of the path is 1.5 meters. Thank you friends. Hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please do like, share with your friends and subscribe for more such useful videos. Feel free to comment your doubts down below and I shall get back to you at the earliest. See you soon with another math video. Bye.